Today I'm going to show you how to turbo your Hyundai. Step 1, jack up your car. Now be careful you don't hit your other car when you're jacking the other side up. Otherwise, alright, then you want to pop the hood. Ugh. Where's my bloody bonnet holder up, right? Come on. Alright, that's where it's got to go. Now you got to grab your cold air intake number plate and fold that up so you can get easy access to your shaft. And once you got that off, you want to place it somewhere across 2 battery terminals. Now you want to go out to the pile of PVC pipes and stuff next to the shed there, and you want to find a piece of PVC pipe that the turbo can fit inside. That's too big. That's too small. Oh, that could work if I put some tape on it. I've selected this piece of pipe that's bent so that when I put the turbo on, I'll try and get it to stick up sort of so you can see it better. There we go. You want to grab a heat gun and heat up the end of that pipe to it's sort of oval shaped or whatever shape the inlet on your airbox is. So I've set this up to blow some hot air into the pipe, get the pipe all warmed up so that I can squish it into the right shape. Should be good. So you grab this and you stick it on there, you sort of wiggle it and move it. Just jiggle it till it gets in there. It's not a very good fit, but it'll get there. Just gotta keep doing the thing, you know. Alright, so as you can see, I've heated and stretched the pipe to get it onto the to get it to that shape so it'll fit on there. And now I think I'll cut it back a little bit so it's a little bit further back from the radiator, and you can see the little turbo spinning better. Should be awesome. So I've marked how much shorter I want it to be, and I'm going to cut it on a bit of an angle so that this is facing up a little more so you can just see it spinning even better, you know what I mean? I'm going to use this silver tape to attach the turbo to my intaker pipe so that it stays there properly. Don't tell my brother, but I just stole it from his ute while he wasn't looking. It's in your engine bay, and you just sort of like put the tape on the... Oh, it's covering the logo anyway. Oh well. Ready to go on now. Alright, just gotta wiggle it on there. Ugh. And that's the whole install done. Oh, hang on. I'll put that back down. I'll leave it up for now. Now I just gotta start it up and test her out. Oh my god, my car's not running right, what the fuck? Oh god, that's smoking a lot. I hope it's not broken. Anyway, there's the turbo. Give it a little zoom. Now just idling it won't make any boost, honestly, but when you give it some, you can see it spools up pretty good. Should be making a nice amount of boost there. Hell yeah. Right, now I gotta fold that back down. Pop that out. And bloody, she's ready to go for a drive.